Let me start with something that hits hard. One day the blue pill works. The next day, nothing. No fire, no firmness. No reaction the way you expect. And the worst part? You sit there thinking, what the hell just happened to me? I've had men in their late 60s and 70s look me straight in the eye and say, Dr. Jeanne, the pill didn't fail. I failed. And I stop them right there, because listen to me carefully. You did not fail. That moment when the pill stops giving you the response you once had is terrifying. It messes with your confidence. It makes you feel older overnight. Some men panic. They secretly double the dose. Some stop intimacy altogether. But here's the truth. Viagra doesn't create erections. It only helps what's already working inside your body. After 65, your body changes quietly. Blood flow slows. Nerves respond differently. Your internal on switch doesn't flip as fast. So when the pill feels weak, it's not expired. Your body is asking for a new approach. Once you understand this, you stop blaming yourself. In the next chapter, I'll explain exactly what changed inside your body after 60. Simplicity replaces fear. Let's make this simple. Your erection is controlled by blood flow, nerves, and brain signals. After 60, all three change. First, your body produces less nitric oxide. That's the chemical that tells blood vessels to open. It used to be like a light switch. After 60, that signal becomes weaker. So even if desire is there, the message doesn't travel strong enough. Second, blood vessels stiffen. Young arteries are flexible rubber hoses. Older ones are tighter. If they can't open, the pill can't work. That's why erections feel slower to rise, less firm, and easier to lose. It's biology, not failure. Third, nerve sensitivity decreases. The signal from your brain weakens. Arousal takes longer. It's why you want it mentally, but the body lags. Important. The pill does not fix nitric oxide, stiff vessels, or nerves. It only boosts a working system. Increasing the dose often misses the point. Why increasing the dose makes it worse? You think, I need more. 25 becomes 50. 50 becomes 100. It helps a little, then backfires. The pill forces blood flow. It doesn't improve the system. It pushes harder on a weak system, like revving a car with a clogged fuel line. The engine gets stressed. Side effects rise, headaches, flushing, heart strain. And over time, your body becomes less responsive. This creates a cycle. Dose goes up, confidence drops, anxiety rises, fear shuts down blood flow instantly. No pill overrides fear. The goal isn't stronger pills. It's better vessel flexibility, natural nitric oxide, and a calm nervous system. Once those improve, pills work again. In the next chapter, I'll show you what doctors don't explain about nitric oxide, the real switch behind strong, reliable erections. Nitric oxide is not a pill. It's a signal your body makes that tells vessels to open wide. When it's weak, nothing works. Why does it drop? 4 reasons. 1. Vessels lose flexibility. 2. Inflammation kills the signal. 3. The enzyme that makes it slows down. And 4. Stress. Fear and anxiety release adrenaline, which clamps blood vessels shut. You can't be stressed and aroused at the same time. The good news? Nitric oxide can be restored naturally by fixing circulation and habits. When it comes back, confidence returns naturally. Next, the everyday habits that quietly kill erections. Most men think these are harmless, but they shut down blood flow. 1. Sitting too much. It crushes blood flow to the pelvis. Your body adapts to stillness. Movement keeps the signal alive. 2. Late night eating. Digestion steals energy from repair. Result? Poor sleep and weak morning erections. 3. Alcohol before bed numbs nerve sensitivity. 4. Screen time keeps your brain in alert mode, blocking deep, restorative sleep. 5. Ignoring stress. But the moment you move more, eat earlier, and sleep deeper, your body responds. Erections aren't lost. They're blocked. Why boosting testosterone alone doesn't fix it? Men are sold a myth. Low T causes weak erections. But T creates desire, not blood flow. Testosterone therapy doesn't repair stiff arteries. In fact, it can sometimes thicken blood and stress the heart, making circulation worse. Watch your morning erections. If they fade, it's a circulation signal, not a hormone one. Fix the flow, and tea often stabilizes naturally. Chapter 7. How to wake up nitric oxide naturally. 3 triggers. 1. Gentle daily movement tells arteries to stay flexible. 2. Nasal breathing increases, no. 3. Foods like beets and greens feed the signal. And remember, stress kills the signal instantly. Finally, the simple daily routine. Morning. Breathe, stretch, walk. Wake the blood flow before checking your phone. Daytime. Move more. Evening. Screens off an hour before bed. Slow down. Erections come from relaxation, not effort. Stop testing yourself. Give your body circulation, calm, and consistency. I'm Dr. Jeanne. Your strongest years begin when you start working with your body.